Right, okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Aldi Workzone Scroll Saw. So at the moment this is at £59.99. It's on sale, it's usually £69.99. And this is exactly the same as the Scheppach version. Okay, so down here on the label, just there it says Scheppach. Just here. So this one's £59.99, the Scheppach is £129.99, and it's exactly the same, just a different label on it. So if you're wanting to get a scroll saw, this might be the time to get it, because I think this is probably the cheapest you're probably ever going to get one, really. The Aldi deals won't be on for much longer. Once they're sold out, they're sold out. They do still have these in stock online. I purchased this one out of the store. You'll have to have a look around, and if not, go on the internet and hope it's still in stock. But yeah, if you're interested, I'd hurry up and get one. So features of this: it will take pinned blades. It comes with 2 pinned blades, as you can see here. 2 pinned blades. I've already been using this. And you can also use non-pin blades, and it comes with these 2 blade carriers here to take the non-pinned blades. As far as I know, it just comes with the manual. I can't remember now. I think that was pretty much it. On the side here, it's got a little box here, so you can put some of your blades in there, and it will also take the non-pinned blade carriers. They're in there. That won't fit in there though. I don't know if there is a space on here to fit that, but I haven't found it yet anyway. Up here you've got the blade tensioner, which tensions the blade. So when you want to install a blade, just lift that up and push this down, and then you can hook the blade on. Just inside that, it's pretty simple actually. Also comes with an LED light here, a free LED light. It's not super bright, but you know, it's a bit of extra light. It comes in handy. It also comes with this here, which is a blower, and you can move this to wherever you want to blow the dust from the workpiece while you're trying to work on it. It also comes with this safety shield here, and then you've got the foot here, which holds the workpiece down. So on the front here we've got the power button here and the stop button, and then here we've got the variable speed, so the speed is adjustable via this knob here. And then we can also undo this here and then move the table from, I don't know how many degrees that is, 45 to 0. And it's got a little scale as well here. Don't know how accurate that is. I did set it before with a square. And the motor is on this side here. It's a brushed motor. It's got a 2.1 metre length cable on it, so it's reasonably long. That should be long enough for most people, I should think. And then on the light up here, there's a switch so you can turn the light on and off. The light only runs when the unit is operating, so you can't have the light on when it's not. So it's got a 120 watt motor on here, and yeah, I think that's about all the features of it. So I'll show you how to fit the blade. So the blade fits reasonably easily. Got to get the blade up the right way with the teeth pointing downwards, so it cuts when it hits the table. So if not, it'll be jumping all over the place. And then you just insert it down and into the bottom there. hopefully. I've lost it now. Oh, there we go. And then it's a bit fiddly because I'm working around the camera. Usually get it in a lot quicker than that. And then there it is, the blade is in. And then on the back there, up here, tighten the tensioner. And blade is tight and it's ready to go. So I'll just plug this in. Okay, so we've just tested to see if it cuts. So workpiece there, move the foot down. So this is the speed, this is a slower speed. So as you can hear that, it vibrated a bit. That's because I haven't actually got it fixed to the bench at the moment. And I'm not sure where I'm going to set it up at the moment. Depends how much I use it. Okay, so we'll just test it on a piece of wood. A piece of oak here. I just drew a simple design out for a Christmas decoration. Not very good, but it'll do. Right, okay, so that is. It won't win any prizes, but it just shows that the scroll saw works anyway. Yeah, so I mean, probably get better with practice. They're not really the right type of blades anyway, I don't think. I mean, for doing this, you really want those ones that will go in any direction. The wire wound blades, or whatever they are. Haven't got any of those yet, we'll get some. Yeah, and the last bit is the spacer for the blades. Oh, I don't know it's on the blades now. I've got some of these little jewellers blades here. They're for like cutting into copper, soft materials, copper, aluminium and that. Really fine toothed blade. I broke more than they seem to break quite easily, so you need to go really easily with them. But yeah. Anyway, the way the blade carrier works is you use this as a spacer, and then you literally. Oh yeah, it did come with Allen key as well, actually somewhere. But I've misplaced it. Yeah, so either side you've got a cap head screw, blade goes in here, and then you basically tighten these down onto it. Try to keep the blade in the centre as possible, because if not it'll just basically snap as soon as you turn it on. Make sure it's reasonably tight, because if not it will just pop out straight away. Make sure the blade teeth are facing downwards. And then you've got to put it into the machine. Side cover down here, it's just got one screw, so you can actually clean the sawdust out of the inside. Crosshead screw. Okay, so here's a look at the pinless blades in the carriers. So let's get the light in the right. So just here, this is the blade carrier, and it's hooked over this little hooked bit, and the same at the top, just here. Just hooks over this piece of metal at the top, and also you can put the pins in, the pinned blades in sideways as well. Actually, yeah, there you go. You can put the, here it is. You can put the pins in sideways, all straight on. Okay, so that is the fine pinless blade. And with those pinless blades, they're really fine, so you can get a really fine cut, so they'll be perfect for like making puzzles or something. I'll put links in the description to these pinless blades, just in case anybody needs any for doing some real fine work. That's the Aldi Workzone Scroll Saw. So it was £59.99 at the moment. And yeah, I mean, overall it looks to be a solid unit, and it seems to work well. I mean, obviously I'm not very good at scroll sawing at the moment, but a bit of practice and, you know, might be. So yeah, if you want one, I'd hurry up and get one before they go back up in price. So please comment down below and let me know what you think, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.